Si Lion Show. Huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our Black Racing Bird, Tackles! Tackles are running right now too. Say it for my name. Let's get out to all the senses. These birds are out of Asia, and they are the largest of the life tattoos. There you go. Let's show us what we should be like. And it's not a box for Tackle with Premier AK. Welcome to one of the Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show with Queen Characteristics. Now, here's some objective I will like. Left Cadillac Star over the next. They are very loud birds and can be almost 8 times. Crazy and crazy OC. And fruits and Castellan. Oh my god. Not a crazy before. Now guys, do you think that will actually have anything like it outside? Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green boss and Greg. They will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will be recognizing two girls. Where's the girls? All the girls will. Very good. How about the boys? All the boys to the screen. Let's go! Here goes Roger's first ball. What can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race. You're done?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
8, 7, go! Here goes the first day. Trainer done! What? Let's go, Rockies. Something we should cross. And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. This time we need an adult volunteer with 500 special gift. Anyone who wants to be our lucky volunteer for the day, just raise your hands up and trigger my team of choose one. Once again, we need an adult volunteer with 500 special gift. Alright, I think we got media for you to use. Buddy flies over. Oh, he gets down and he flies back. And I think, Buddy! Just now, well, your money will be in good hands and we are very grateful. You may not know right here, see that I done? Are you sure? Buddy needs your money back. Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? What's the program that you just look at the camera and offer your key? To me! Another one. Just open your palm and look at the camera. Smile. Oh, that's so sweet of you. And here is your money. You got a box for one here. Around the world. These birds are living in China, including here with Philippines. They are locally Slawi or Bando in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our ticket. Thank you. And as you can see, we are all Princess Adine, hoping ability, meaning they will generate business and grace. Our rattle box for our wrappers, our chickens, and our homemade goods. Our lovely birds once again, and they will show us the proper ways this goes on. Easy, right? So if the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own set of trainers who made this show possible. Trainer Villa with Sassy. Trainer John with Rocky. Trainer Mikey with Buddy. Trainer Regine with Blue. Trainer AJ with Speedy.
Hello everyone! By the way, I'm Trainer Michelle, and I'd like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American Siloy that we have, and she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Icy. Together with Trainer Vince, say hi. And on the other side is the youngest female South American Siloy that we have here. And that's with her, the cutest. Wow, the shy girl. Her name is Ira. Together with Trainer Vina, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called feet or feather fruitivorous mammals? Any idea? Do you have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front fingers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term fingers may also be translated as wing-footed, since their fingers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they often mistake it as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a seal lion is the fact that they have bigger front fingers. And they can also turn their back fingers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about more of applause for Isis and Ira? And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Not one of the applause for Simon and friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short horse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They take their fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. They also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from playing in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see the full walking underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flood rocky cliffs with tidals, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Choose from rocky birds. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the lower movements of their front fingers, while their back fingers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders or steering. And that is their nervous system. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ira, and Trainer Vina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a versatile suit, red ices, 205 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. Come on, guys, another round of applause for Ices, the prettiest. Nice glide. Okay, let's wait for her. And another round, she's asking for Ren. Here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained them to take part of their special operations? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are sought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Well done, Sue. Now let's march. Ready, guys? Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, Sue. This time, could you please join our Sea Lions in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Come on guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Okay, triggers comes first. Mermaids, go ahead and get your mix, ladies. And that's right. A round of applause for Nancy and Aya. Good job, ladies. And another one, ladies first. So, triggers. What's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? Let's say. Oh, balance. Almost there. Come on, ladies. Steady. What's excellent work, ladies. Now we come to the part of the show. We're going to invite one lucky audience to our stage and meet Isis applause. May I welcome to Miss Layla Balaban. Miss Layla, come here, mom, join your stage. Miss Layla, welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Mom, are you ready? Okay, please wait for your beats. Ready, son.